Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have a special NFT project to talk about, FaceX, facexclub.com. That is the link. I'm going to put it in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. In today's video, we're going to talk about the project, the artist, the team, the roadmap, and obviously the FAQs. Now, you need to understand before you actually invest or get an NFT exactly what the project is about and who are the people behind this particular project and why this particular project is one of the most sought out projects in the industry. In today's video, I'm going to show you all of that and much more. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon because I'm continuously making different videos and giving you the opportunity to invest and find a project that meets your requirement, either be an NFT or play to earn game. So stay tuned for my more videos. So without further ado, let's start this project. FaceX. FaceX is a collection of hand-drawn 4,000 masks living on their best life on the Ethereum blockchain, designed by ANECK. These NFTs with their crazy aesthetics and powerful personalities are about to conquer the metaverse. FaceX is going to be one of the biggest NFTs in the industries, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. You can join the project. When they were young, they say that they dreamed about being superheroes and everything was possible. Be creative. Seek out the passion that you truly enjoyed. Welcome to the fantasy world where dreaming, learning, playing come together. The FaceX is a collection of artwork made up of hundreds of exciting hand-drawn visual traits designed by ANECK. The FaceX collection also includes dozens of rare shapes, materials, colors from the artist palettes, and you may see in his work. Now is your first chance to own it. You can join them by now by clicking over here on the right hand side. If you look at the NFT itself, you will clearly see the amount of creativity that's gone into developing this particular NFT. Now, the sense that the artist tends to have is absolutely brilliant, and I feel there is a sense of soul inside the NFT. Each element that has been included gives a sense of achievement to the users, and that is one of the reasons why this particular NFT has got the potential to make it big. If you look at the big names in the industry, you'll be able to see that different art has an effect on individuals, and that is one of the reasons why people invest and want to get hold of it. Now, I want to look at the artist. The artist is very important. ANECK Art's real name is Simon L. He's a digital artist who's been working for several years in the artistic project. He has explored a whole creative and colorful universe through masks. With a mask, we can be whoever we want. Dreams come true if only we wish hard enough. Now, in 2022, the artist decided to launch his very first NFT collection after 1 year of work and a dedicated elaboration. The reason: NFTs are probably one of the only revolutionary ways where artists can connect with the community and be represented and appreciated for their creativity. The creativity process, which is very interesting, I feel, is I like the mix between the cute cartoon and the semi-realistic aesthetics, making it bright but also having a sense of realism. And that's why all the masks have a strong personality, and that is where the soul comes into the NFT, and that is why it has been sold out. You can check the artist out. He's available on LinkedIn, he's available on Instagram, he's available on Twitter, as well as his website is available as well. So you can head over there and check them out. Now, the success of any NFT is based on the team, and the team needs to be very, very strong. Now, if you look at the big names in the industry, either it be the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Meta Avatars, Beans, or Invisible Friends, you will clearly see the individuals that are behind this particular project tend to have the experience, tend to know exactly what they need to do, and that is one of the reasons why they're able to develop and scale their projects to new heights. And that is another reason why their projects have become very successful, because they understood the need of the user. They understood how the NFT needed to be developed. They understood what potential characteristics and personality their NFT needed to have, and combining all that knowledge and combining all those efforts together under one roof in a particular manner, they were able to execute effectively, efficiently the strategy that they have developed, and they were implementing the strategy step by step and developing it as they went. And because they had that experience, they were able to do that. I feel that FaceX Club has that potential. They're able to develop that manner, and that is the reason why they have got the potential to scale their NFT to new heights that may not have been seen by other NFTs. And that is the reason why David, Alex, Evan, and Chelsea are able to do what they do, because they have the experience. They have been working in the NFT and crypto space for a very long time. You can clearly see they've got what it takes to make it big. You can check them out on LinkedIn. Their LinkedIn is connected. You can come to the website and check them out. I'm going to put the link of facexclub.com in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. You can head over there and check them out. Now, the legendary itself, now the artwork itself, I want to show you what they have done, and they've done an amazing job when it comes to these particular NFTs. They've developed them in a manner that I've never come across till now. They've given them the artwork, and they've given them the personality that has not been reached by buy on a lot of NFTs. And the reason before that is clearly seen in the NFT itself. The amount of artwork, the amount of creativity that's gone into developing these particular NFTs is absolutely brilliant. And that is why they're able to scale it to heights that they've never seen before. Now, looking at their roadmap, I feel the roadmap is one of the fundamental pillars upon which a successful project is actually made. If you look at the names of the Bored Ape Yacht Club or the Meta Avatars, these are massive names in the industry. And one of the reasons why they were successful, besides having a team with knowledge and experience, was the fact that they understood the roadmap. They developed a strategy and they executed that strategy flawlessly. And the roadmap was the fundamental document upon which the whole project was created and executed. And if a project has a roadmap that is clearly labeled and which can be clearly seen and be clearly executed, that project has the potential to be successful. And I feel that FaceX has got what it takes. Their roadmap 1.0 will be updated according to the project evolution. So they're evolving step by step as they're going from pulp, culture, and dream. And ANECK has partners with entrepreneurs, investors, influencers, Web3 developers to present its best work on the NFT space. The 3D collection of 4,000 NFT has over 150 strokes with the highest level artistic and technical quality coming straight from the creative minds of the artist. Now, the collaboration is also bringing artists and through leaders NFT and mainstream in a series of exclusive events for owners of FaceX and other NFT partners collections, with the FaceX Collect to Earn is available as well, and the copyright, which is very important. So you own the commercial rights of your image and use it, or if your image is used, you are likely to collect royalties, commercial rights to your mask, and you're part of this fabulous adventure. This process will encourage new investors to join the project, build hype, and increase trade volume. You have new friends in the metaverse and the mint rewards, which I feel is absolutely brilliant. So the first people to mint will get rewarded as follows. And this is a strategy that has not been implemented by a lot of projects, but FaceX has done a wonderful job with this particular strategy. The first mint will win a exposition of his NFT with his socials on the Broadway, New York. With the first 10 mints will extra chance to mint a legendary FaceX. The first 100 mints will have a chance to see their mints refunded, and the first 1,000 mints will have a chance to win a second free NFT, and the first 4,000 mints will have a chance to win a unique life-size design sculpture of their NFTs by the minibrick.co studio. And the utilities are endless. This is only the beginning of the creative process of ANECK art. More buddies will join the masks on their crazy adventures. And obviously FaceX is a NFT collection, but it is also a strong community, a private club for trade holders in the metaverse and in the real world. You can connect with thousands of people and start new adventures for memorable experiences. All holders will be invited to live and metaverse events scheduled for early June, where Sandbox, Other Side, London, New York, and LA. Now, obviously, there's a lot of questions which are available that you can go through. And if you have not joined the Discord, guys, please do join the Discord, because Discord is the only place where you can get reliable information about an NFT. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share these videos with your friends and with your family on Facebook and WhatsApp so more people can find out about FaceX. If you have any comments whatsoever, you can also comment in the comment section below on Facebook, on Instagram, and on YouTube. If you want to speak to me directly, my WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel, The Educational Network. You can head over there, get my number, and drop me a WhatsApp. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.